Hello all, this is Shraddha and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the BookTube channel. This is BookTube video number 2 and thank you for all the love and I hope you'll continue to like my videos. I have not been able to read recently as such. In the month of August I had a very hard time concentrating on everything. That's because this coronavirus and this entire lockdown has put a kind of pressure or kind of it's very even sad. I cannot put it out in words. So I even my father got infected with the virus for a while, and yeah, he is recovering, and I lost an aunt also to this. That's the reason I had been off YouTube for a long while, and I had been just keeping myself and my spirits up, trying to so I will be discussing my August reads in this. The first book that I'm going to talk about is Get a Life by Chloe Brown. Now this is a fluffy romance, it's a fluffy read, and I think if you're stuck at home just like me and you need something to alleviate your feelings or emotions or whatever heightened anxiety you're feeling in this period, I presume you don't, but at the same time but if you are, you should add this fluff to your life. It's Get a Life by Chloe Brown, and okay, let me give you a gist of this story. I'm not going to get any kind of spoilers in this video. So it's about a web designer, Chloe, and she has a checklist. She comes across Red, who is a charming gentleman, and she wants to Red has a very classic demeanor of a gentleman, and she cannot resist it. So Chloe gets swept away by him, and there's a love story blossoming. They definitely pretend in the beginning like a classic love story, but you need to read the book for that. And this is a fluffy romance. Go ahead, grab it if you're stuck at home. The next book that I read was Crenshaw by Katherine Applegate, I feel. Yeah, it's on my Kindle, so you cannot see it right now. So I completely love the novella Crenshaw because it's about an imaginary friend, which is a cat. It's my favorite animal, and so you should go ahead and grab a copy of Crenshaw. As you guys know, that BookTube is not the only thing that I'm doing. I'm also working a full-time job, and I'm in the IT industry. So yes, I have another book on my list, which is Way of Kings by Brandon Sanderson. I started it, but yeah, so I started Way of Kings, but couldn't finish it because I got caught up in my work. But I was completely enjoying it. There was terms like shard bearer and all this came into my life a long time after the Lord of the Rings. I am a Lord of the Rings fan, and so you should completely go check out this novel. This is like huge, a big success by Brandon Sanderson. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye.